Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Got a little bit of a special guest today, and actually it's my sister Janie. When I talked to her about this, she thought it'd be a great idea. People have asked me how long I've been making drinks and everything since I'm about 12. My mom got remarried to her dad, so technically my legally stepsister, but no, just my sister. I remember being 12 years old, sitting in the kitchen, and George would get me a turkey and 7. We didn't have, there was no jiggers.
What's a jigger?
Yeah, I learned about jiggers once I started doing this YouTube stuff. Until then, it was 2 fingers. So in his case, it was 2 fingers.
Exactly.
But we thought it'd be kind of fun. One of our dads, actually, his favorite drink, I think, his drink of choice, was turkey and 7. So turkey and 7 is in the highball category. So a highball is basically spirits topped with a soda. Rum and Coke is a highball. A gin and tonic is a highball. So a spirit with some bubbly drink with it is considered a highball. Those are usually served in a tall glass in most cases. So growing up, it was 2 fingers of spirits.
Unless it was George's.
Unless it's George, and then it was 2 fingers of spirits. Unless he was making it. But then he had some monster gorilla finger hand things.
Yeah.
Yeah, his
you didn't want to get hit with them.
No, that was the size of his thumb. Yeah. That was his thumb. He had some monster hands. So 2 of his fingers was like my hand. I don't know. But is it really, how is it a consistent tasting cocktail, and how is it even balanced? And so I tried playing around with it. So actually, this is his turkey.
His actual turkey. Yeah,
so he passed away a little while ago, unfortunately. But Janie actually had one of his bottles of wild turkey left. So she brought this over. So we're going to celebrate George with a little of George's turkey. So we're going to go 2 fingers. And we're not even going to measure it yet. So with 2 fingers. Now, a highball is usually 2 ounces of spirit, 4 ounces of your bubble liquid. So here, I played around with it earlier, and this is 2. And 2. So as tall as the glasses that we were fixing back then, we were making
pretty accurate.
We were making double highballs because the amount of 7-Up we use with the amount of spirits makes a balanced drink. It's weird that you can go 2 fingers, there's 4 ounces of spirit in a glass this tall, and it's a balanced drink. I thought that was kind of crazy. I'm like, how 2 fingers? Let me see what that is. So I took some water, measured. I'm like, that's 4 ounces. That's a perfectly balanced drink. Now, he was a big fan of put in the liquor first, because if you put your ice in and did your 2 fingers, you don't
get any liquor.
You ain't getting any liquor. No, you ain't getting any booze. So, but his rule was liquor first, then we're gonna do the 7-Up, and then we'll do some ice.
Daddy always did the ice after the soda. After
that?
I don't think he wanted much 7-Up.
No, I think you're right about that. So let's go do that. I just want to make sure that didn't blow up on you. If it goes anywhere, it goes on me. So we'll top this with some ice.
Yeah, that's about right.
That's about right. That's about right. So.
Can you show it the 7-Up?
Yeah. Hey, look, here's some 7-Up. That's it. It's such a good drink. Highballs are so looked down upon. When you use something good like Wild Turkey 101, where's the label?
Apparently the whiskey outlasts the label.
The adhesive no longer works.
But you know it. Take the top off and smell it.
Oh, I know. I nailed it.
And you know he knew the difference between 80 and 101.
Oh, yeah.
Don't try to sneak 80 in on him.
Oh, no. Especially if you're mixing it, so.
But he knew the difference just by smelling it.
Man. Thank you, George.
He'd tell you, that's not my turkey.
Take some of that.
Yeah, that's George.
That's George. That's George right there. Yeah. That's.
It don't get no better than that.
Nah, not at all. It's whiskey, a good whiskey turkey, a Wild Turkey 101. It's What's it say on the bottle?
It's a classic.
Beyond Duplication. It's a very good whiskey. It's been around forever. It's going to be around forever. A lot of craft whiskeys have come and gone since then, but Wild Turkey is a stand-up spirit. Been around forever.
You talked about fixing a drink for him when you were 12.
Yeah.
I was probably about the same age.
Yeah. And there's a little bit of an age gap between us, so yeah.
Yeah, and the first one I fixed for him, he spit out, and I was like, "But Daddy, you said 2 fingers," and that's where
2 fingers.
2 fingers came from.
2 fingers.
I said 2 fingers. Okay. Well, you drink that one and bring me a real one. Okay, Dad.
Times are different back then. Times are different back
Yeah,
then.
it's back when dinosaurs roamed the earth.
That's it. You know, when 12-year-olds are being home bartenders.
Yes,
Who
yes.
knew? Who knew years later it'd be a fad?
What do you mean that's frowned upon?
All right. So, yeah, this is delicious. No need for garnish. No lemon squeezing on it. Just like it is.
Don't put that junk in my drink.
Yeah. That's it. All right, guys. So just something short, something quick. I just kind of, we're here for my sisters here. Janie's here for Thanksgiving, and we thought we should just a short little video just to kind of pay homage to George Fuller. We miss you, George. And if you're up there watching us, or down there,
We'll drink this one for you.
That's it.
Or,
Yeah,
you know.
wherever you're at, I don't know. You could be both places.
He's probably standing right here going, "Where's my drink?"
It's probably so. If that thing is knocked over right now,
We'll know.
we'll know. And now, look,
I can hear it. I said 2 fingers.
that's it. So, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day because we're already having a great day. All right, see y'all later.